Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use the text tracking feature on CapCut PC to basically cover somebody's face on CapCut without you having to do it manually. So go to text and add in your default text, and here just like type in an emoji or like copy and paste it. I'm just going to add this emoji, and then I am going to adjust the font size here and place it here. Adjust it till the end of the video. Then go to tracking, motion track, and track it to the person's face like so. And just turn off scale and press start. And it's going to start tracking. It's not going to be perfect, by the way. It's going to be actually better if you track it like manually, but this is just an option if you're too lazy. If the person doesn't have this much movement, you can definitely do that, but as you can see, kind of covers their faces using the emoji. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!